Welcome, Treasure Guardians. Today you're gonna have the first challenge, who's gonna be to do the unboxing for the magic toys.
Wow! Whoa. Let's go exploring. Yeah! Hi, I'm Matthew the Brave, and today we're gonna do the first Lost Treasure toy bag unboxing. First up, we gotta grab a toy. So, there's toys in the Lost Treasure Machine. Of course, that's where you get them. And two.
You gotta pick one. Which one you pick?
I choose this one.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Captain Eddie. I'm the leader of the group, and today I'm going to be helping him unbox. He's going to be my brand new helper to unbox, aka my captain.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna do the unboxing of this toy?
Yeah. May I open it? Please? Fine. Yay. Okay. I want to know if you guys, what's this? Is this an amazing riddle? We even have a maze.
Do you wanna read the riddle?
Yeah. I guard chests and treasures. No one can steal. What am I?
Let me see it.
See?
I guard chests and treasure. No one can steal. I think it's the
The ocean.
Yeah, you got it. And what is here? Oh, this is a maze. That's awesome. Let's see what else is in the bag, Matthew.
So we have. Whoa, what's this? It says I hidden map 1. Eye of the Kraken. Face the Sea of Secrets.
Oh, let me see.
It says that the legend says everyone fears stepping on this island, of course, because of the Kraken that guards it. Some say his eyes are so spooky they make you freeze like a popsicle. But there's something scarier. No secret stays hidden. When you get here, the wind says the secrets. The shadows remember what you hid, and it feels heavy in your bones.
Wow, that's probably for like the first episode, like we're waiting for the Kraken.
Wait, there's more inside.
There's more inside?
Really? Yeah. There's, whoa. So there's,
wow, let me see that toy.
there's 2 of these. There's one like this and one like this. And there's a fossil. We must have to dig it up. The fossil. Okay, so first I can use this to penetrate the first layer. Wait. Okay, so we just went to get some supplies. So we gotta put this in the water for a couple of minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna unbox another one of our bags. Yeah. But I'm unboxing it this time.
Okay, so pick it up. You got it already?
So
Okay.
now that I have my own bag, I'm going to unbox it. Let's see. First up, I found the same riddle. It's another riddle.
It's another riddle.
It says, I fly over the waves, I steal fish all day, in my cry warns of storms at sea. What am I? The seagull.
Let me see.
And then on the other side, it says something else. It says, find the difference. You have to find the difference.
That's so
Okay.
cool.
What else is
Maybe
in
we
here?
can get a pencil or find the
Look.
make it.
It's another hidden map 1 page.
Oh, wow.
Exactly. We've already read it.
Okay. Because now we are on the first map
And
in the eyes of the Kraken, right?
the last thing I have is a guess who you am. I don't know what this is, so let's unbox it.
Okay.
It seems like... Ooh, it's Legos. I got the whale.
That's cool.
Let's build it together.
Okay.
This shouldn't take too long. I'm Captain Eddie. I'm back to just watch over him and tell him he's doing anything wrong. We have to guess what this is. What do you think it is?
Let's see.
I think it is a whale because it looks like, like a whale.
It is.
And yes, I got it correct. So, first up, there's kind of long pieces. And also, I just wanted to give you a reminder. All of these stuff that we're unboxing you might be able to get. Because it's a pack, of course. Lost Treasure Machine.
So there's like way of different toys in this Lost Treasure bag. You have to try your
Technical issue completed.
Wow. What are you making? A wheel? Well?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Having some issues. Can't see if
Wow.
Let me see. I need one of these to put it there. Look how close it's coming. I think this is the part where I'm going to use the most pieces.
What if you finish it like this? Just kidding.
To put them like this. Stop.
Good job. What about Eddie? You start to make this one.
La! I'm back here. So now I'm going to circle different image. I think I can see this one. It's our epic Spinosaurus from map 6 against some Krakens from map 1.
Wow.
But look, on the vending machine, it does say Lagoon of Dreams, this is Spinosaurus.
Oh, there is the timeline for all the adventures like they're coming, right? Yeah, you're right. It's here.
I think that I enjoyed the thing I just unboxed probably came from Crystal Crater.
Wow. Okay.
See,
Let's
look,
see.
my diamond cutting tools are still fine. I can
Awesome.
use these for any other rocks I come across.
Awesome.
Okay, so now I'm gonna find the second one. The second one is this tree. It's blue instead of brown. Now for the now
What? That one is hard.
I can see that is discolored.
Oh.
Because that one has blue in the middle. And that one's a little easy.
Yeah.
But what about the back?
That was fun.
You have to draw.
Oh, wow. Okay, you gotta draw it.
And you gotta.
Okay, let's see how you're doing. Captain Matthew?
Oh. I'm not a captain. Seagull.
Okay,
Now
getting
see the
there.
wave. Wave? Look, it's a seagull. I'm gonna draw him. Don't mind this drawing.
It's a nice seagull.
Look at the seagull. He has his feathers. And
You know what is like the greatest of the machine? Like we find something greater than gold. You know what it is?
It's imagination.
Imagination, yeah.
Look at the epic treasure chest. This is what we found on our last hunt. We found these at the bottom of the ocean and had to explore it to get all these gold bars.
Wow.
Yeah, and this is what we use to make our awesome vending machine.
Yeah, wow.
Look
That's
at
so
all these
awesome.
adventures. We might even do one later today.
Yeah. Okay, let's see how the
Look at my
what are you doing,
seagull.
Matthew? Let's see.
Okay.
What? It is a seagull or a chicken? Just kidding. It's a seagull.
Okay, Captain Eddie out.
Okay.
See you in a little bit. Whee! We might have to go to our next adventure soon, but we still have time.
Yeah. This is so much fun, right, guys?
Yeah, sure is. Look at this epic key. This is how we unlock
The
the
treasures?
gates to our adventures, and we also use this to unlock every single one of these treasure chests.
Okay.
I believe the key that it's not too big or too small.
The key that you get? So you get a key, right?
These are Matthew the Brave's trusty keys.
And you got a map, right?
Everything.
That's so awesome.
Sure do. Look, this is Captain Eddie's map.
Oh, wow. Wow, you're good. I can already see the well there.
Me too. Get back.
So soon you're gonna be able to get any of the magic treasure who's coming in the magic vending machine. We're gonna let you know where can you get it, right, guys?
Yeah. But aren't one of them
So
relaxing?
you gotta be.
How many different adventures we have packed up in a tiny bag. Now I have to put this back where it belongs. Now I just gotta do something like this.
Okay.
I have to put these here. I have to put this there.
Stop dropping the gold.
I just gotta move it.
And then I got
Supply.
to put that there.
I'll go.
And then I gotta put
Into-
that there.
I'm gonna go into the crew resting area and go take a nap. See you later.
Oh yeah, did I mention
See you later, alligator.
about? Oh.
Bye, bye, bye.
No.
Crocodile.